Imagine there is one skill that opens up new jobs, international friendships, and complete freedom of expression. That skill is English. In 2025, learning English is not optional, it is essential, and I'm here to show you why. English wasn't always powerful. It started with Germanic tribes in ancient Britain. Then came the French, Latin, Greek, and even Hindi words later. Why did English survive and grow? Because it welcomed change. It accepted new words. It became flexible. That's the secret. Whether you are dreaming of working in Canada, studying in Australia, or traveling across Europe, English is the passport. In airports, embassies, hotels, business meetings, English connects here. It's the natural ground where everyone meets. Most of YouTube, Netflix, Google, ChatGPT, Wikipedia, all in English. Even if you see another language, the root structure and updates come in English first. When you understand English, you're not waiting for translations, you just lead. Research shows fluent English speakers earn 30 to 50% more in many industries. Why? Because companies trust people who can speak, write, and lead in English. If you are serious about money, growth, and impact, English is not just a subject. It is a strategy. Have you ever stayed silent in a group or felt nervous to speak up? It's not because you are weak. It's just a language gap. When you learn English, you don't just learn words. You gain courage, you gain presence, and that changes your life. In 2025 and beyond, English is not just for schools. It's the language of artificial intelligence, remote jobs, coding, freelancing, and even smart gadgets. Want to talk to ChatGPT or grow on LinkedIn? It starts with English. Your future self is already waiting, speaking fluent English. I'm not from a rich city or an English medium school. I'm just an girl who made grammar mistakes, pronunciation mistakes, and even got laughed at. But I didn't stop. I improved one word at a time. Now, I teach English to thousands of people around the world like you. If I can do it, you can too. This is just the beginning. On this channel, I will guide you step by step from beginner to fluent. So, subscribe now and let's make your English journey powerful, beautiful, and global. See you in the next video.